In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Bookmarks toolbar in Firefox, a handy feature that can streamline your web browsing experience by providing quick access to all your favorite websites. Let's dive right in and get your browser set up efficiently. To start, you'll need to open your Firefox browser. You can do this by locating the Firefox icon on your desktop or taskbar and clicking on it. If you prefer, you can also search for Firefox using your Start menu or Spotlight on a Mac. Once you've opened Firefox and it's running smoothly, we can proceed to the next step. You're now in Firefox and ready to move on. What you need to do is find an empty space near your tabs in the top bar of your browser window. This area is typically to the right of your open tabs. Placing your cursor in this space is crucial for what we'll do next, so make sure you've got a clear spot. Now, with the empty space identified, go ahead and right-click there. This action will open up a context menu that presents you with a range of options related to your browser. From the context menu, you'll notice an option labeled Bookmarks Toolbar. What you want to do here is hover your cursor over Bookmarks Toolbar. As you do this, you'll see a few additional choices appear. These options will allow you to customize how often you see your Bookmarks toolbar. You can choose between Always Show and Only Show on New Tab. If you opt for Always Show, your bookmarks will be accessible at any time, providing instant access no matter what tab you're on. If you'd rather keep your browsing window uncluttered, yet still want the convenience of easily accessible bookmarks, you might choose Only Show on New Tab, which will display the toolbar only when you open a new tab. Select the option that best suits your browsing habits and click to finalize your choice. And just like that, you're all done. With those few simple clicks, the Bookmarks toolbar should now appear right there under the address bar, displaying either constantly or on new tabs, depending on your choice. This toolbar allows you quick access to your most frequent or favorite sites, saving you time and making your browsing experience that much more enjoyable and efficient. I hope this guide has helped you effortlessly enable and customize the Bookmarks toolbar in Firefox. With these steps, you're harnessing the full potential of your browser, making it work better for you. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your tech experience.